I'm going to do a unboxing of a Humble Bundle package that came in. This was part of the Valentine's bundle. The Lovers 2 bundle, I think it was actually called. There's only a couple thousand of these made, so I got in the mail. Took forever. Apparently came 1 month early too. I normally don't do unboxing videos. In fact, this would probably be my first one, but these are so sort of rare that I'm going to show everybody what they are. So, I'm just going to try and open this bag nicely, but you know, I might just pry it open and say to hell with it, right? It seems like almost a good idea right now. This is kind of, I just don't want to wreck the art on the back of the bag. Oh well. Oh, there we go, I just wrecked it. Just rip it right open. Okay. So, this is for the game Hatful Boyfriend. I will put this down on the floor and flip it over for you guys. This is the actual artwork that they used. Okay, here's the unveiling of the Humble Bundle Hateful Boyfriend pillowcase. So that's the pigeon side. And I'll just quickly put my camera down and flip it over. This will be the human side. So there's only a couple thousand of these made. If you got the Humble Bundle back in February and you paid the $35 and you redeemed the code before they expired. Thanks for watching.